Every day at the exact same time, some weird kid keeps eating my bird feed.
Ooh.
Strange boy, I'm suing you for eating my bird feed. That's final. What fantastic purple pens you have.
Thanks.
Don't, thanks me. This isn't a snuggly house.
Well, I love...
Don't stutter when you talk.
Oh, sorry. Can I just say I love your hair?
Don't compliment my hairdo.
Well, I didn't eat her food. She just thinks I did. The lady that's suing me, isn't that what we're here for?
We are? I thought we were here for a fashion pageant. Don't you throw lambs at me.
You stupid judge.
I'm allergic to lambs. That strange boy keeps taking my bird feed on purpose. Purpose, I tell you.
Well, can I just say I love your hat. It's très chic.
Why, thank you. I got it from my grandma. And she died 5 years ago.
Oh, great. Well, I'll see what I can do about that stupid boy.
Thank you. I know he is stupid.
Well, how's 500 years in jail sound?
Amazing. Wait, for me?
No, for him.
Oh, good.
Alright, well, see you later.
Okay. Ah!